Most people waste hours researching. Today, we'll fix that. Imagine researching any topic in under 60 seconds. Today, you'll master AI-powered research and learning. Okay, what if you could research literally any topic in just 60 seconds with all of your credible sources already included? Seriously, just think about that for a second. We're diving right in today because this explainer is all about a massive paradigm shift. Welcome to day 3 of our Masterclass series. Today, we're completely transforming how you handle information forever. We are taking all that heavy lifting out of your research and turning it into a seamless, incredibly fast process. Now, picture this, and honestly, I bet it's going to sound super familiar. Most people are still researching the old school way. You sit down at your desk, you open Google, and before you even realize what's happening, you've got 10 browser tabs open. Actually, scratch that, probably more like 50 tabs if we're being completely honest, right? And your computer fan is suddenly screaming like a jet engine. You're skimming through pages and pages of irrelevant results, you're dodging pop-up ads, and you end up wasting hours just trying to get a grip on one single topic. Students are losing entire evenings, literally pulling their hair out over a single essay. Entrepreneurs are wasting valuable days digging into a business idea that might not even be viable. It's just exhausting. But here's the good news. We are finally ditching that stressful, chaotic method of juggling a million tabs and wasting precious hours reading pure fluff. Instead, we're stepping into the AI way. We're talking one carefully crafted prompt and boom, 60 seconds of solid research. There is absolutely a smarter, faster way to do things now, and it all starts with the artificial intelligence workflows we're about to unpack. So here is our quick roadmap for today's explainer. 1. Meet your AI assistants. 2. Researching with Perplexity AI. 3. Simplifying with Gemini. 4. The ultimate AI workflow. And finally, 5. A community assignment to get you actually taking action on this stuff. Section 1. Meet your AI assistants, the smarter, faster way to learn. This right here is where we leave traditional search engines completely in the dust. We're focusing on a total production package for your brain, using 2 specific, highly powerful tools that are about to become your new best friends. And that goes whether you're a student staring down a midnight deadline or an entrepreneur trying to map out a brand new market. We're talking about workflows that are literally 10x faster than whatever you're doing right now. The goal isn't just to shave a couple of minutes off your work. It's to entirely slash the time you spend on assignments and fact-finding. We're giving you hours of your day back. Moving into Section 2, Researching with Perplexity AI, the ultimate fact finder. If you haven't played around with this one yet, prepare to be absolutely amazed. Perplexity is fundamentally different from a traditional search engine. It doesn't just hand you a list of blue links and, wish you the best of luck. Instead, it actively reads those links for you. It acts like a giant funnel, synthesizing the information, summarizing the key points, and then handing you a direct, highly intelligent answer. And the absolute best part, it gives you verifiable citations for every single claim it makes. So let's look at how to actually input a prompt to get the best results. Say you're an entrepreneur looking into emerging markets. You don't want some generic search? You type this exact, highly specific niche prompt. What are the top business opportunities in Nigeria in 2025? And wow, look at the speed. In under 10 seconds, Perplexity just goes to work.
Let's see this workflow in action using a real example. Our research topic for today's live demo will be Top Online Business Opportunities in Africa for 2026. Let's see this workflow in action using a real example. Open Google Gemini, paste the research excerpt, include prompt, explain this like I'm a beginner.
Perplexity finds the facts. Gemini helps you understand them. It instantly pulls credible sources, summarizes the key points, and cites every single fact. In one quick session, you're getting competitor analysis, market size estimates, emerging trends, and opportunity gaps. The whole shebang, all handed to you in one neat package. It is a total game changer for business owners, job seekers, or really anyone who needs reliable information right this very second. So the crucial thing here is mastering this simple 3-step beginner workflow. Step 1. Input that specific research question. Remember, the more specific you are, the better the output. Step 2, read through the structured AI response. And step 3, and hey, this is massive for students who need academic credibility. You simply click the provided citation numbers right there in the text to verify the facts at their original source. You never have to worry about handing in an essay with made-up AI hallucinations because the receipts are literally right there for you to check.
Section 3. Simplifying with Google Gemini, breaking down the complex. Okay, so if Perplexity is your master researcher, Gemini is your personal translator. Google Gemini is an AI assistant that lives natively right inside Google's ecosystem. Because of that, it connects beautifully with your Gmail, your Google Drive, and the latest web data. But its real superpower? Its ability to adjust explanations by skill level. You can ask it to summarize a long YouTube video or help you understand a crazy complex document. And you can tell it to explain things at a beginner, intermediate, or expert level. Let me show you exactly how to prompt for this because it's so cool. Say you're researching a notoriously dense technical topic. You just use this prompt. Explain blockchain technology like I am 12 years old. Instantly, Gemini will give you a clear, simple explanation with absolutely zero confusing jargon. That right there is the true power of AI for learning. It's democratizing complex information for all of us. Section 4. The ultimate AI workflow, connecting Perplexity and Gemini. Now that you know the two main players, let's look at the main event, where we connect Perplexity and Gemini to create a truly unstoppable research process. Here is your exact step-by-step tutorial for moving data seamlessly between these tools. Step 1, you ask Perplexity for your structured answer with sources. It's your fact finder. Step 2, as you're reading that output, you might hit some dense academic language or weird technical terms. Just highlight and copy the exact text you don't understand. Step 3, paste that copy text straight into Gemini and ask it to simplify it for a beginner. You are essentially using one AI to verify the hard facts and another AI to tutor you on the confusing parts.
To put that into perspective, imagine you're a student with a massive assignment due tomorrow morning. The old way means 3 hours of panicking, crying over endless tabs, and skimming Wikipedia at 2 a.m. But the new way? You open Perplexity for the structure and the sources, you use Gemini to explain the confusing parts, and your entire assignment is mapped out and fully understood in 30 minutes. The time savings are just unbelievable.
Section 5. Your community research assignment. Put your new skills to the test.
Listen, I don't just want you to passively watch this explainer. I want you to actually use this workflow today. So I want you to choose one of these 3 things to research the second we finish here. You can pick a business idea you've been daydreaming about but haven't had the time to look into. Or pick a topic you're currently studying for school. Or if you're an entrepreneur, pick a brand new market or industry you want to enter. Just pick one of those to start. Once you've got your topic locked in, here are your steps. 1. Go straight to perplexity.ai. By the way, it's completely free to start. 2. Run a highly specific research prompt, exactly like we practiced. 3. Take a screenshot of the incredible results it generates. And 4. Drop that screenshot right into our Fecund Circle WhatsApp community group. I really want you to share with the group what surprised you the absolute most about the AI's answer. I guarantee you're going to be blown away by what it finds for you in 10 seconds. You are doing amazing. And you're building a skill set right now that puts you way ahead of the curve. But we are just getting started. Make sure you follow so you never fall behind, because in tomorrow's explainer, we are going even deeper. We'll be tackling AI for productivity, and you definitely don't want to miss that one. I'm going to leave you with this final thought to chew on today. If this dual workflow means you can completely master the basics of an entirely new industry in just 60 seconds, what will you choose to learn tomorrow? The whole world is completely open to you now. Go get that assignment done, and I'll see you in the next explainer. Today you learned a powerful AI research workflow. Research one topic and share your results with our community. Tomorrow we'll use AI to save hours every week.